Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. Welcome to VR Computer Education. Today class we are going to learn unformatted input and output functions. So what is the topic? Unformatted input and output functions. So let us start the topic. So first, unformatted input and output. The topic. First we see unformatted input, next we'll see unformatted output. So what is the definition of unformatted input and output? So unformatted input and output functions read a single input sent by the user and display the value as the output at the console. So unformatted input and output functions will read a single input from user and display as output at the console. So what is the use of unformatted input and output functions? So unformatted input and output functions read a single input sent by the user and display the value as the output at the console. So first we will see unformatted input functions. First we'll see unformatted input functions. So what are the unformatted input functions our C language is providing us? They are get ch, next get che, next get char, get char, and next gets. So these are the unformatted input functions in C language. So let us see one by one. First, get ch. So it accepts single character. So it will accept a single character from the keyboard, and that character is immediately displayed on the console without waiting to press an enter key. So it will receive input from the keyboard. That received input will immediately displayed on the console without pressing any enter key. So that is the use of get ch. So without pressing any enter key, immediately what we have entered, that character will display on the console. And this is located in conio.h header file. So get ch is located in conio.h header file. So if you want to use get ch, we have to include conio.h header file in our program. And get ch will not use any buffer. So it will not use any buffer memory. That's why immediately it will displaying the character. Next, we'll see get che. So it will also accept a single character from the keyboard, and that entered character will display on the console immediately without pressing an enter key. Same like that, get ch, it will also work get che. It will also will take one character, a single character from the keyboard, and that entered character will be displayed immediately on the console without pressing an enter key. So this will also located in conio.h header file. Next, for example, how we declare this? Suppose if I write char x, next we write x is equals to get che. So this statement will take input from the keyboard. So it will store in this x, whatever input we are giving through this function, that will store in the x variable, right? So this is about get che. And the next function, that is get char. So it will also accept a single character from the keyboard, and it is displayed the entered character on the screen when enter key is pressed. So here it will also receive only one character, and that character will display on the console when we press an enter key. If you don't press, it will not print. If you press enter key, then only it will print. That is the difference. And this is located in a stdio.h header file. So here get ch, next get che, and get char, all these three will take a single character from the keyboard. All this will take a single character from the keyboard, and that here when you observe get ch will print immediately the entered character, and get che also will print immediately, but here get ch will wait to press an enter key. When we press enter key, then that character will be displayed on the console. Here both is located where in conio.h header file, and this is located in stdio.h header file. And next, the last function, that is gets function. So it accepts a line of string including space from the keyboard, means it continuous line of the string it will accept, and it stores it in the string array variable. Next, it stops reading characters from the keyboard only when the enter key is pressed. What gets will do? So like this, it will accept continuously a line of string. When you press enter key, then it will stop receiving input from the keyboard. That is the difference. So these 1, 2, 3 get ch, get che, get char will take only one character as a input, and that will display. But here it will take a line of string with spaces also it will take. Suppose you can write we are computers education. Like this you can give continuously on a single line. If you press enter here, from the next line it won't read. Only this will store as a string array in the array variable. Okay, here so one more logic you have to remember that. So it is taking continuous line of character. When it will stop? First when you press enter key, and second EOF means end of a file. Means if end of file means suppose you have file like this. Suppose you have file like this. You are entering data like this continuously. You are entering the data continuously. At the last line, nothing but end of file, that is EOF. EOF means end of file. When end of file comes, then also it stops taking or receiving the input from the keyboard, whichever comes first. When you press an enter key, then also it stops, or when you go on continuously typing at the last end of a file, then also it will stop receiving the input from the keyboard. So these are the unformatted input functions. So what are the unformatted input functions? They are get ch, next get che, next get char, and next gets. So here all these three will take only a single character and it will take continuous line of characters, and this and this get ch and get ch will print on the console immediately without pressing enter key, and this required to press an enter key to print the character on the screen. So these are the unformatted input functions. So let us see with examples. Now we'll execute some functions and we'll see the output how it is generating. Okay, here I am removing this. So here is two header files are declared and main function. First we'll see get ch. So how to write? So here I'll declare one character char x I have given. Next x equals to get ch, and next printf function is used at printing character, so %c comma x. Now see here get ch is a function, it receives a single character from the keyboard. After receiving that will store in the x. So character means %c we use, and that value which is stored in the x variable. Or else you can write like this. I'll write /n some /t entered character is, means what character you are entered that will display. Let us execute and we'll check the output. See, now you are looking an empty screen because it is waiting to enter a character. Now I will enter R. See, immediately R is displayed without pressing enter key. Okay, so let us try once again. We'll run this program once again and we'll check. So once again we'll execute this. See, again you got an empty screen. Now it is waiting to get a character from the keyboard. Now I will enter V. So immediately entered character is V. It is displaying without pressing an enter key. Okay, this is what an example program for getCH function. Next function we will see, that is getCHE. Now simple change here, I'll write getCHE. That's all. X equals to getCHE. Now we execute this. And what will be the output? Here also it is waiting to get input from the keyboard by the user. User will give the input. Now I am giving single character, means only one character will take. Now here I will enter A. See, entered character is A. Entered character is A. So without pressing an enter key, it is displaying. Now you observe the change. So when you use getCH, the entered character will not display, but here it is displaying. I think you did not observe. So once again we'll execute that getCH. So getCH, I'm executing getCH. I'm running the program getCH. Now you observe carefully. It is waiting console. It's a blinking and means it is waiting here. Here it is waiting. Now I'll enter R. See, R is displayed anywhere in the console? No. Whatever character we have entered, that is immediately displayed in the console. See, this is the console. Now you see, now I'll write a getCHE. So how it will display getCHE? Let us see. Now I'm changing to getCHE. And I'll execute this getCHE. Now it is also waiting console. Console is waiting. Same like that. Now say I will enter R now. And now you see R will display here. Entered character is R. So that is the difference between getCH and getCHE. Execution is same. Immediately they will display without pressing an enter key. Next we'll see next function, that is getChar. That is getCHAR. So getChar. Now what is the definition of this? It will wait to press an enter key from the keyboard. Let us check. Now console, it is waiting to press any character from the keyboard. Now I am pressing R. See, it is displayed. You observe, I have pressed R. It is not displayed. Now I will press enter key. Then the entered character is R. So when pressing an enter key, then getChar function will execute, or it will display the character on the screen. So that is getChar. Next function, that is gets function, means a line of characters it will take continuous on a single line. So simply I will change here. I'll write here gets. Now here I'll write one more statement, that printf. So it will take character array, right? We have to declare an array here. So here character array, I'll give memory size as 20 I have given. So I'll write printf I am writing here enter any string. Here it will store that string. How it will store? Gets x, it will store. Next you'll write entered string is. So strings are displayed using percentage %s, and here it will display. Okay, we'll execute and we'll see now. So here semicolon missed. Now it will execute. Now you can see clearly in the output it is asking to enter any string. Now I'll enter here VR spaces, it will accept computer education by Rakesh. Like this you can enter in a single line continuously. When you press and enter, it will stop. That will be displayed. That is entered string is VR computer education by Rakesh. It is displaying like this. It will work. So that is get function. So these are all formatted input functions. Next, or in the next class, we'll see formatted output functions. Thank you.